Hi, I'm Max. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, hey, hi again. And also, so on this episode, I'm going to fix my car. The wiper arm, the wipers aren't working anymore. So I found the problem. Stay tuned. I'm going to fix it. I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. Guys, girls, everybody. Uh-oh, my wiper blade is broken. There's something inside here broken. Okay, this is a 204 Honda Element, and it's my garage right now, and it's about -10 right now, but that's okay. It's really cold, but that's okay because this is very important because this guy here is broken. So I'm going to open the hood up, and I'll show you exactly what to take apart to try to fix it or to find a problem, and hopefully we'll get it work again. Stay tuned. Once you unlocked your hood, there's two settings actually for your hood. You see right here there was an arrow. That's the first setting, and then there's a second setting right here. The reason why is that is because when you work on your car, your hood is actually further away, so there's more room to work on your car. You'll need to remove the two wiper arms. Two bolts. One here and one here. Oh, I forgot the little plastic caps. You take a little screwdriver, you pull them out, and then it's a 14mm. You unscrew them, and then to remove these arms, what you do is just pull on like that, and with your hand like that, lift it like that, and it rocks it just a bit, and then you can just lift it just like that. You got to wiggle it just a bit, and it's been there a little while. See, it's coming apart very easy. I'm going to clean those and put new grease on them. The same thing to the other side. Once the wiper arms are removed, in order to remove these plastic covers right here, they're actually clipped in, and there's a few clips right here. There's one right here, and don't forget to remove the right here, the wiper conduit. Okay, the little hose right here, it's clipped on this piece right here, and you'll have to remove this little piece. To remove it, the little eyelets that holds it down, it's like a little flat piece, and it squeezes under here, and then you squeeze on here. This rubber stretches, and that's how to actually. There's one here. You can see how it's built, just like that. And these, to remove them, there's a little tool that you can. It's like made in a U. You just pull on it, and they pull out. Or you can just wiggle it, you stretch it, and eventually it comes out. I just removed it a bit more than halfway because that's all I need. And then I'm going to just unclip these two halves here. And I'll have to wiggle them out on each ends. There's the rubber plastics to move the water at the proper place and on each side. And then we'll see underneath. 3 nuts to remove. There's one 10mm here, here, and here. I'm going to remove these 2 nuts. I already unhooked the engine, the electrical wiper motor, and after that, all the part will come off because I found the problem. It's right here. This part here is all loose and should be loose. And oh, there's a piece right here. This guy is probably worn out. That's why it clapped out. And another piece right here. Oh, my phone's ringing. Where is it? I'll have to let you. Hey guys, I took it apart, and actually I found the problem. It's this, the parts were inside the car. These two little pieces right here, and this is the arm itself. So these guys came off because there's 2 reasons. Well, I'll replace it anyways because it was probably too dirty, and with the years, well, this is like 13 years old, so this is an old car. and it's a Quebec car, Canada car. So all the salt that they put in the streets, sorry to say this, but it kills our cars. So this little piece I called already because I was assuming this was a part. It's like $13 or something like that. Anyways, I'll link up the part number. Actually, it's right here. This is the part number right here, and also I'll put in the description below. And it's time for me to go back inside because yes, I did start my my wood stove, but I didn't wait long enough. It's starting slowly to warm up. But anyway, so like these pieces are broken. But I'm going to order another piece like that with the caps on it already installed. So I just have to clip it on. Of course, I'll clean this thoroughly and I'll remove the other side. To remove it, it's actually very easy. I'll just show you right now. I'll just need a flathead screwdriver and I'll just pop this guy out like that. And it's just going to fall. I'll show you. I should have a screwdriver just about close to here. Voila, just like that. She should come off. She's not. She should come off fairly easy. Voila. See what I mean? Like this guy, yeah, I had to. It was probably still good, but since one is dead, the other one is dead also. So it's a good thing to replace them both, so that way it'll give it longer life. New part, directly from Honda. Can you see the part number? Well, I'll put it in the description below anyways. So this is the new part. I got it directly from Honda. And this costs like in 13 something like Canadian dollars. The first thing you need to do is, well, remove the old one. This is already done. Yeah, it's right here. This is the old one, but this guy is still good, but the caps are not good anymore because you can order these little plastic caps. So this guy, I'm a Honda guy, so I'm going to keep this part. You never know, I may use it back in the future, never know. Make sure that these guys are are clean of rust and all that. This guy here has a bit of rust on it. So what I'll do is I'll take a very, very light sandpaper, something like a 600. I'll put a bit of water and I'll get rid of the rust. And I'll clean it really good with my rag, and I'll do the same thing here. Once it's all clean, I'll just clip it back and I'll turn the camera on. Then we'll do like the reverse, take it apart. We'll put it back together again.